Have you opened your latest car insurance bill and thought, wait a second, why did my premium go up?
This is really expensive.
Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Stick around and I'll break down the why behind those higher costs and share some insights from our December 2024 analysis. Welcome back to Trailstone Insurance, where we help you make sense of all the things car insurance without the boring jargon. And today we're digging into what impacts your car insurance rates, sharing the latest numbers from our deep dive into auto rates, and giving you tips to handle those unexpected price hikes. Ready? Let's go. Okay, let's talk numbers. Recently, we did some shopping with December 2024 rates, and the average cost of full coverage car insurance is about $2,195 per year, or $182 per month. So with minimum coverage, that averages $438 annually, or just $37 a month. But here's the kicker. Your rate could be higher or lower depending on factors like your age, driving history, location, coverage level, and your car. So if your neighbor's over here bragging about their amazing rate, don't sweat it. They might have different variables at play. Okay, let's break it down with real numbers. Here's how national median rates shake out for different driver profiles. Okay, so starting with a clean record and good credit, full coverage is $21.95 and minimum coverage is $438. But with one speeding ticket and good credit, it bumps it to $27.81 for full coverage and $657 with minimum coverage. Take that to one at-fault accident and good credit, that puts you up to $3,435 with full coverage and $887 with minimum coverage. Now, let's throw in one DUI with good credit, and you're all the way up to $4,271 with full coverage and $1,197 with just minimum coverage. So let's erase all that, go to a clean record, but you have poor credit. Now you're at $3,232 with full coverage and $967 with just minimum coverage. Okay, so what's the takeaway here? Full coverage costs more because it includes collision and comprehensive coverage. It's really the VIP package for your car. Minimum coverage is cheaper, but it only covers state-mandated basics like liability. So the key here is to choose what works best for you. Now let's answer the big question. Why did your premium go up? Well, here are some common culprits. Your driving record. If you've gotten a speeding ticket, had an accident, or even one slip up can spike your rates. And sometimes it's not even you. Rising repair costs or an increase in claims can cause rates to jump for everyone. Have you moved to a new area, switched cars? Even factors like your credit score can play a role here too. It's frustrating, but remember, you're not powerless. There are ways to lower your costs, like bundling your policies or shopping around for a better deal. So here's your next step. Take a look at your policy, give us a call at Trailstone Insurance. We'll help you understand your coverage and see if there's a better option out there. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you next time.